Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope your day is going well. I have the January Sephora Play unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, for you today. And if you happen to watch my Vlogmas, then you would have seen that I wasn't thrilled with December's. So I'm really hoping that January's is a bit more exciting for me. And I would like to get your opinion on whether or not you like to see these videos recorded and edited like this one is, or if you prefer to see them live as I've done them in the past. Let me know your feedback, and if you prefer it one way or the other, I will try to continue doing it whichever way the most people want it, whether that's live or edited. For those of you who may not have seen my videos before or may not be familiar with the Sephora Play box, stay till the end and I'll give you the information in more detail about it. But let's just get right into seeing what is in this month's bag. They seem to have a calendar theme going here. It says, "Here's to a beautiful 2018," and then it's got different dates throughout the year actually, and things to do, like January 1st, drink up, February 2nd, love your lips, and so on. So, seems like it's a New Year's theme. And the bag this month says 2018, Happy You Year, and it's got a pale blue ribbon. First things first, we have a primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Primer and moisturizer in one. Contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So this is a new product from Smashbox, and on the package it shows it as a spray, but on the inside it just is a little, let me see if I can get it out here. It's just a little bottle and it looks like it's a white liquid. So inside of this packaging it says, "Insane hydration, feather light texture, all-in-one power primer." Primerizer was created in our LA photo studio to replenish moisture and prep skin for makeup in one step. It plumps and moisturizes with those ingredients I just mentioned, sets in seconds so makeup goes on fast, insanely lightweight, and skin feels comfortable all day. So it'll be interesting to test this out because while I would have no problem using it as a primer, especially because Smashbox is known for having good primers, I'm not sure how it's going to hold up as just my moisturizer in place of my moisturizer that I use every day. So that'll be an interesting test. Let me know if you would like to hear about how that goes. Next up is a lip product, and for some reason it seems like they give me very similar lip colors in the bag, and it's a lot of kind of nude, brownish, neutral colors. But this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is a good brand. I don't think I've ever tried a lip product from them, and the name of the color is Kristen, and it says it's a lip gloss. So let's see how this swatches. Well, for a lip gloss, it's quite pigmented. I actually think this will be an okay color on me. It's definitely more of a fall color in my opinion, but I know some people are very into nudes and like to wear these all year long, so can't complain because I always like getting lip products, and it is a color that I will wear and is from a good brand that I always like to try new things from, so that's a good one. So far so good with the first two products. Let's hope that continues. Then the next product is from Boscia, and it's an exfoliating peel gel. To use, apply to clean, dry skin, and gently massage into the face in a circular motion for gentle exfoliation. Rinse clean with water and follow with moisturizer. Now, while I don't get super excited about exfoliators because I do have a lot that I'm currently using, and I don't exfoliate too much, probably about once a week just because I don't want to damage or strip my skin, but I do have to say the few products that I've tried from Boscia I have loved, so I will be excited to try this one out and see how it works. The next item is a foil packet, which for Sephora is disappointing. I know other boxes that I've gotten give foil packets, but that's usually Target or Walmart or places like that. So, little bummed to be getting one from Sephora, but it is a Way hair care product, and it is a treatment mask. It says smooth evenly through hair, combing with fingers if needed. Chill out for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Now, I think I've said this before in videos, but hair masks like this always get me because I don't want to stand in the shower for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing this out, so we'll have to see how that goes. Well, it turns out that I didn't get a perfume sample this time around, so evidently they threw in the foil packet instead of the perfume sample, so I have to kind of retract my earlier statement because since this is in place of the perfume sample and I do get so many perfume samples, I don't mind as much. If this had counted as one of my items, I would have been disappointed, but since it's just in place of that, not so bad. Now, this is a product that I believe I've received before, but I'm okay with it this time because it is one that I really like and I know I will definitely use. And it's from Clinique, and it's their Pep Start Eye Cream. I really like this eye cream. I was actually considering purchasing the full-size one recently, but I couldn't find it at the places I wanted to get it from, and the pricing was just a little bit high, so now I have another sample of it to use, which is nice. Then the final item is from GlamGlow. It's their Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So I have received some GlamGlow masks in the past, but I don't know that I've received the cleanser. And I have not had the greatest experience with GlamGlow products, as I have spoken about before, because the few products I have tried, my skin has not reacted well to, so we'll see if their cleanser does a better job. So those are all the products I got in January's Sephora Play, and I have to say I am much happier than I was in December. This one has a good variety of products that I'm excited to try out, a good variety of well-known brands that I'm also excited to try out, so definitely better this time around from Sephora. So for those of you who don't get this box or maybe want to know a little bit more about it, it's $10 a month. You can subscribe through Sephora's website, and if you fill out the little profile they have for their website, they'll try to cater items to, say, your skin type of hair that you have, skin tone, all of that stuff. And so you get it every month. You also get a Play Pass. So if you're someone that often shops in store, you can take this Play Pass in the store with you, and they will add 50 extra Beauty Insider points to your account once you make a purchase and give them the Play Pass. When I say Beauty Insider, that is Sephora's rewards program, and they have different levels. Beauty Insider is free, VIB is when you spend a certain amount of money, and VIB Rouge is when you spend a lot of money, at least in my opinion. So that's how that works. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you do enjoy my videos. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really helps me out. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!